Sometimes when it rains, it pours and things happen to our vehicles. And we get codes and things, and sometimes you want to be able to check and see what they are for yourself. I got an all-tail reader here. I actually sold my big high-dollar Mac because I didn't feel I needed it when something like this can do the job. You know, everybody has their opinions with that, but, you know, to each their own. But I like having something that don't break the bank and has all these cool features. And obviously, this thing comes, you know how I am about the cases, this thing comes with a really nice case. It charges through USB. You could do this going down the road. All vehicles now have USBs. Let's see what we got going on here. But if something like this interests you, the all-tail scanner reader, right here's the link. Get you one.